Inqilab Zindabad, Jai Bhim, Lal Salam. If I look ahead, each and every one of you, each and every slogan that you have raised today, every flag, every poster, every photograph you have carried today shows to Radhika Amma and Abida Tadvi that even though if their one son and daughter have been martyrs to the cause of social justice, hundreds and thousands of their children are still alive in the central universities of this country to take forward the idea that was left behind by Rohit Vemula, but to the idea that was left behind by Payal Tadvi, Darshan and many others who have been martyred for this social justice, for this cause. A Danish poet in the deathbed of his father had said these words that, "Do not go gentle into that good night. Rage, rage against the dying of the light. Rage, rage against the coming of darkness." We, as Rohit Vemula has said, we are people made out of stardust, and the light carried by each one of us will rage, rage against the darkness, will rage against the death, the suffocation and the strangulation of public education that has been conducted by the central government, by the Sanghi government, by the Brahmanwad, by Manusmriti of this country. When UGC is coming out with a regulation, the promotion of equity regulation 2026, then it has come after the fight of long years, of a decade of struggle of two mothers who have lost their children. And when that regulation is coming forth, there is a group outside, there is a group, a small group in the streets who's claiming that our unity is being threatened. Our right to discriminate is being snatched away. And for their right to discriminate, for their right to discriminate against us, they want us to sacrifice our right to education, our right to freedom of expression. And from here, with this gathering, with our slogans, we have told them that your number is small, what you're demanding is small, and what we are upholding is social justice. And that has always had a victory in this country, and we will ensure that the stay that has been put on the UGC equity promotion regulation will be rolled back, and Rohit's Act will be enacted in this country, and we shall enforce that. We shall ensure that. When the Vice Chancellor gets to know that the union, the students of this campus, the organizations of this campus are taking forward this movement for the UGC equity promotion regulation, when we had announced the Mashal Julus today, when we had announced that on the 7th of February, we will be holding a parallel parliament, a students' parliament, calling people from across political parties, members of parliament, student leaders to come to this campus and debate on this issue. Then the Vice Chancellor thinks that if a voice, if a slogan, if a movement is ignited in this campus, then students across the country, the campuses across the country will take that forward. And to nip that movement from its starting point, the Vice Chancellor and the central government had collided, and they have given us a medal. They have given us a certificate, and that certificate is nothing but the rustication order that they produced in front of us. To the four office bearers, our former JNUSU president, and hefty fines have been put against 8 of our activists for standing up with the right of the students. I want to tell the Vice Chancellor that your residence may be called the Pink Palace. Your residence may be called the Pink Palace, but do not make the mistake of thinking that this is a fiefdom, this is a queendom, this is not the ancestral property of anybody, this is not the ancestral property of RSS or Modi or Yogi or Bhagat Singh, or Mohan Bhagwat. This is the land of Bhagat Singh. This is the land that has taken forward the struggle of B.R. Ambedkar. And you cannot threaten the union here. You cannot threaten the students here with a mere paper. This is the very same campus. This is the very same union. The students of this campus, when emergency was going on, it was in this very land that we had read out the resignation letter to the then Chancellor Indira Gandhi and told her in very clear terms that you will have to resign from this university. It is this very same campus and the very same union. In 1980s and 90s, when the hostel crisis was going on, it is the very same union that had Chandrabhaga will be built. It is the same union that had enforced that deprivation points will be enforced in this campus. So your rustication, your FIR, your fines are mere papers to us. You cannot intimidate us. The movements that we want to uphold, the slogans that we want to uphold, we will uphold in front of anybody. And we want to tell you that you had declared us out of bounds. You had declared us out of bounds, and you had written in the office order that any student who will be allowing the office bearers to stay sheltering them in this campus will be taken punitive measures against. I want to tell the administration and the Vice Chancellor, look around you. These many students are giving shelter to this union because union is not just for office bearer. Union is each and every one of you. Union has come with the mandate of thousands of students, and your notification does not make the union. Neither does your restriction throw us out. The union has come into force because of the mandate of the student community, and we shall go forward against this restriction. Forward for the movement of social justice. And forward we will go for Rohit Act with the same mandate that is given to us by each and every student of this campus. Yes, we are the descendants of B.R. Ambedkar. Yes, we are the descendants of Nangeli. We are the descendants of Fatima and Savitribai Phule. And we shall take forward the struggle for social justice. We shall take forward the enactment of Rohit Act. And you cannot stop that movement from taking force in this campus. The union, the students of this campus, each and every organization in this campus, the progressive force of this campus, you will unitedly come. And on the 5th of this month, we will declare that the university strike will be successful, and we will declare to the Vice Chancellor who's sitting in the Pink Palace that your rustication order is a mere paper for us. We will tear it and throw it, and we will still build a movement here. Inqilab Zindabad, Jai Bhim, Lal Salam.